Right, I'm going to make some mummy's gravy, and I've got Bisto here. I prefer Bisto to all the other gravies, so it's the original Bisto. And I just, can't see what I'm doing here, I just pour it in willy-nilly, but you'll probably want to measure it out. I've got nothing there. And then what I do is I add steamed vegetables. So I've got carrots and I've got peas under there. Right, I've used 3 dessert spoons of carrots and 3 spoons of peas, same size. And now I'm going to add a partly roasted potato. If I can get this one on. Is that potato? Yep. And a sweet potato. Oops. Which gives it a nice flavour. And then what I do is I add the water here, which I've steamed the vegetables in, which gives it a nice flavour as well. As you can see there, it's nice and thick, and you can add extra water if you want to. So I'm just going to switch it on. As you can see there, it's nice and thick, and you can add extra water if you want to. Right, as you can see there, it's nice and thick gravy, and my little girl absolutely loves mummy's gravy. Here we have the finished gravy, and I'm just about to pour it onto the dinners for the kids. They absolutely love my gravy, so there's always loads. It's nice and sweet with the vegetables in it. And there you have it, mummy's gravy.
Well, can I have some more gravy?